Today's daily dose of math is an introduction to exponents. An exponent is a different way of expressing a number. It looks like this. We would read this as 2 to the power of 3. Sometimes students will say 2 to the 3. The 2 is the base, and we write it the same way we normally write a number. The 3 is the exponent. We write this smaller and raised up to the right of our base. The base does not always have to be a 2, and the exponent does not always have to be a 3. 2 to the power of 3 means we are multiplying 3 2's by each other. We would express it like this: 2 times 2 times 2. The answer to 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the power of 3. Of course, when we multiply 2 times 2 times 2, we get 2 times 2 equals 4 times another 2 equals 8. This is a different way of writing the number 8. We can express a number as a base with an exponent as a way of writing the number more simplified. But most students would say, wait, 8 is more simple than 2 to the power of 3. What's the point of this? The point is that numbers aren't always as small as 8. Let's look at this number. 1,048,576, which can be expressed as 2 to the power of 20. We would write 2 times 2 times 2 20 times. We have to write 22's to write this. That's not easy to do. But we have to admit that when you get to a number as big as 1,048,576, writing 2 to the power of 20 is more simplified. And of course, numbers get a lot bigger than this one. So this is the reason writing a number as a base with an exponent is useful. Our first exercise is simply to rewrite an expression that is shown with repeated multiplication using exponents. So 5 times 5 can be expressed as 5 to the power of 2. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Our second exercise is to rewrite the expression that is already written as a base and an exponent with repeated multiplication. So 2 to the power of 4 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 to the power of 6, we have 6 5's with multiplication symbols between them. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4. Next, we want to practice simplifying expressions that are written as a base and an exponent. 2 to the power of 5. It's equal to 32, but we might not see that right away. We can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then if we carefully multiply those 2's, we do get the answer 32. 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, and that's going to give us 27. This will require a bit of practice. This is an introductory lesson to exponents. Today's daily dose of math. Please like, subscribe, and share.